So hi lads, I'm going to keep this intro very short. This video is about my trip to Lough Acoose in County Kerry. I had loads of brown trout, my boatman had loads of brown trout. It was a great day out, the weather was good, the trout were there, they were active. We saw a couple of salmon but we had none to our lines. This video was filmed on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro on a chest mount. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below.
Oh, he's in him! He's in him, lad! Get the gaff!
He's tiny.
He's making me be on paddles, by the way, to all our viewers. He's after perfectly my life because for 12 months on paddles and we're all locked home.
Nice trout. Natural. Did you see him?
Salmon,
Yeah. Oh, I got that on camera too. I got that on camera. Mhm. Oh, that's sick. I got that on camera. Oh, it came up again. Oh, no. Oh, he came up again. Go on, take it. Yes! Tiny brownie, but. Oh. Are you in them? Doubled up. Doubled up.
I tripled up actually.
Oh, tripled up. Come in here, trout. Tripled up. There's so many trout. Oh, don't fall onto the ground. He did fall onto the ground. Double up.
No. There's a double there.
There you go, trout. Oh. Oh, oh no. Oh. Oh. He seemed alright.
Alright, means anything over 3 inches.
Oh, I lost him.
Oh man, that's a really good.
Oh, there's some amount to throw it. Oh yeah. Oh. Wrapped around. Nothing. No, they shut off. Oh. Oh. No. He took 4 times. He came up again. He came up again.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh. Do you have 2 again?
Oh man, don't tell me.
No, you don't. I thought you had 2 again.
It's so black.
Hmm. Oh. He came out like a torpedo. Came up again. Oh, he came up 3 times. Go on, take it. No. No. Right.
Right, sorry Chris, just size them, just size them.
Calm down, little trout. Come on. Not even hooked, he's just caught on the barb. Right. See if we can get another one.